Hi guys, good morning. Hello. I'm sorry because I couldn't be with you today, but I had to go to the doctor to check everything. But I'm here with this speech. Okay? Today is Tuesday, June the 7th, 2022, and we will be talking about games from the past. Remember that in the past, the games were very different from the ones that now you can play. Okay? So now what I need you to do, let's watch the video about games from the past. Yes, today's past they played with their cats. Well, I think that now they can play with you play with your cat. Played with their hands. Rock, paper, scissors. Look at this type of games. Okay. Yes. Could you see that there are some games that we still play? For example, the Rubik Cube. We played it. Yes. But there are some games from the past that have already disappeared that not all the kids play. Okay. So today we're going to have a reading class. Yes. And look at these pictures that we have here. The reading will be about marbles. Marbles. Yes? Look at this word, marbles. Glass is the material that marbles are made of. They aren't made of plastic. They are made of glass. Yes? Okay. Chalk. Chalk. This one is a key word that you will find in the reading. Chalk. Hopscotch. Could you see in the video that in the past a lot of people played hopscotch? In the present, we still played it? Yes? Okay, so there we have the key words that we're going to use for the reading part. Yes? So I need you to go to the student's book on the page number 72. Page number 72. Okay? Great. Very good. So, let's look at the photo. Can you tell me, what game are they playing? Are they playing soccer? I don't think so. Are they playing baseball? No. Let's see what they are playing. They are playing hopscotch. You don't have to write. No. They are playing hopscotch. Yes? Did you remember the word hopscotch? Okay. So now, let's go to the reading part. Do you remember that? That here we have these key words. Sidewalk is the place where we walk outside. Glass, do you remember the material? Yes? The chalk. You know what a circle is. Yes? And you know what a square is. So here we have the keywords that we're going to use for the reading. Yes? Let's follow the reading with me. 60 or 70 years ago, imagine from the past, many children played games on the sidewalk near their houses. They didn't have video games or watch TV. So they had to make their own games outside. So it was frequent that we played outside because we didn't play the video games because we didn't have internet, for example, or cell phones. They had role-playing together with their friends. Run. Yes. Why don't you try these traditional games too? You can go to the park and try running because running is a good exercise. This game, marbles. Do you remember the word marbles? Yes? Marbles. Yes? Children played marbles in Roman times, nearly 2,000 years ago. Imagine, from the very past tense, marbles were played. Marbles are small glass or clay balls. Marbles. Yes? You usually draw a circle with chalk. Yes? You usually draw a circle with a chalk. You have to throw your marble to hit other marbles out of the circle. Yes? So marbles are in the middle of the circles and you throw one circle and all the marbles have to be out of the circle. Hopscotch. Yes? You remember what a hopscotch is? Yes? This is an old game from Roman times too. In Argentina, it is called rayuela, or in Guatemala, avioncito. Yes? And in Malaysia, it is called kerenting. First, you have to draw a square. And numbers with chalk from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you take turns throwing a small stone and hopping and jumping on the square. Yes? Chinese jump rope. Yes? This is a game. This is a game started in China in the 7th century. Okay, so there we have here the Chinese jump rope. Yes? This game started in China in the 7th century. As you could see, it was a game from the very, very past. Yes? 2 children have to stand with a long circle of elastic around their legs. Another child jumps and makes shapes with the elastic. For example, using their feet. Yes, with the elastic. All children sing a song at the same time. So these are some games from the past, but maybe you can play these games in the present. Now, what do you have to do? Let's read again and choose H, hopscotch, M, marble, and C for Chinese jump rope. The first one, you don't use a chalk. In which one? Correct. Chinese jump rope. Here you don't use it. You play this with the small balls. Which one? Marbles. Correct. You usually sing in this game. The Chinese jump rope. Very good. Number 4. The Romans didn't play this. Correct. Chinese jump rope. You have to throw things. In which one? Correct. In hopscotch and marbles. You have to jump. In which one? Correct. Hopscotch and Chinese jump rope. Very good. Okay. Now what I need you to do, please prepare your notebook, because in the notebook you have to do an activity. Okay? Please copy the date. We have today is Tuesday, June the 7th, 2022. What do you have to do? If you go to the Santillana platform after watching this video, yes, you have to write 5 games that you can play outside. Remember that outside is like in the park, in the garden, and 5 games that you can play inside. Here you have some examples like this one. Yes, games I play outside. Yes, and here I have games I play inside. Remember, inside can be your bedroom. Yes, or can be the living room. Okay? That's all for today. See you in the next class. Bye bye, chicos.